Hi, everyone. Today, Millie has 5 family conversations at home. Each scene has 30 lines. Slow speed. Listen, repeat, and speak with Millie. Morning in the kitchen. Good morning, Mom. The kitchen smells warm and lovely today.
Good morning, Millie. I am making tea and fresh toast.
Can I help you with breakfast before going outside?
Yes, please. Cut the fruits and wash the apples.
I like helping you early in the morning.
That makes me happy. We work better together.
Do we have bananas for my breakfast bowl?
Yes, they are on the table near bread.
I will make a simple bowl with milk.
Good choice. Eat slowly and enjoy the taste.
Did you sleep well last night, Mom?
Yes, I slept peacefully after a long day.
Today feels calm and bright already.
Mornings feel better with family talks.
I agree. Talking here makes me relaxed.
Please pour tea carefully into the cups.
Okay, Mom. I will be very careful.
Thank you. You are becoming very responsible.
I learned that from watching you daily.
That is sweet. I am proud of you.
Breakfast is ready. Shall we sit together?
Yes, let us sit and eat peacefully.
I will carry the plates to table.
I will bring the tea now.
Everything looks simple and nice today.
Simple moments are often the happiest ones.
I want more mornings like this.
Me too. Family time is very special.
Thank you for breakfast, Mom.
You are welcome, my dear Millie.
Dad, are you cooking lunch today?
Yes, Millie. I am making simple vegetable rice.
That sounds tasty and healthy.
Cooking relaxes me after morning work.
Can I learn this recipe from you?
Of course, cooking is a useful life skill.
What should I do first?
Wash the rice and vegetables properly.
Okay, Dad. I will start now.
Thank you. Teamwork makes cooking faster.
The kitchen feels fun with you here.
I enjoy talking while cooking with you.
Do you cook often when I am away?
Yes, but it is better when you help.
I like learning from you.
I am happy to teach you.
The rice is ready now.
Good. Add it slowly into the pot.
The smell is already nice.
Food tastes better with patience and care.
I will remember that advice.
Life lessons hide in simple tasks.
Lunch will be ready soon.
Yes, we can eat together happily.
Thank you for cooking, Dad.
Thank you for helping, Millie.
I feel close to you today.
I feel the same way.
Family time feels warm.
Yes, it always does.
Can you help me wash dishes?
Okay, but you dry them.
Deal. Let us finish quickly.
The sink is full today,
Family meals mean more dishes.
but also more fun together.
I like talking while working.
Me too. It feels less boring.
Did you enjoy dinner?
Yes, Dad cooked really well.
Mom will be happy hearing that.
I will tell her later.
Please pass me that plate.
Here you go. Be careful.
Thanks. Teamwork is easy with you.
You are faster today.
Practice makes everything better.
Even washing dishes, I guess.
Almost done now.
Yes, the sink looks clean.
Good job, brother.
Good job, sister.
Let us relax after this.
I want to watch something later.
Maybe a family movie?
That sounds nice.
I will tell everyone.
Okay, I'll join.
Thanks for helping me.
Any time, Millie.
You are staying here tonight, right?
Yes, I will sleep here.
I am glad you visited us.
I missed this house a lot.
Home feels different at night.
It feels calm and safe.
Let us talk quietly here.
I like peaceful night talks.
How was your journey today?
Long, but seeing you helped.
Tomorrow we can cook together.
I would love that.
Family time heals tired hearts.
Yes, I feel relaxed already.
Do you want some warm milk?
Yes, please. That sounds nice.
I will bring it soon.
Thank you, Millie.
We can talk more tomorrow.
I am looking forward to it.
Sleep will come easily tonight.
Because this house feels loving.
I am happy you are here.
I am happy too.
Good night. Sleep well.
Good night, Millie.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams to you too.
See you in morning.
See you tomorrow.